G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to be fixing up a problem on the 2012 Mark IV Ford Mondeo. Problem I've been having is the cooling fans. They've been cutting in and out a lot, much more than you think they should. And every time you turn the car off, the fan runs for 30 seconds or so. Now I've traced the problem back to the active grille shutter, whatever that is. So for some reason, these cars, they have an active radiator grille shutter thing in front of the intercooler and the radiator. It opens and closes depending on cooling needs, sends more or less air to the radiator. Mine was physically broken, so I've taken it off the car, and next we're going to test the motor, then we're going to go about fixing it, stick it back on the car, get it all fixed up. So here we go. Right, so here's our active grille shutter system off the car. I'll show you at the bottom here. We've got the motor sits in there, and you also see the problem we've got with this. This is the top of it with the 4 holes across the top. We've got a break in the top, we've got a fracture there. So it's bolted into the top there. That one sits down. These can't rotate. That's all cattywampus on you, and it's all at the whoop. So you've seen the motor works, so what we need to do is fix this up. So first of all, we just need to figure out how we're going to do that. First attempt to fix it, going for cable ties. We're going to drift stitch, that's the word, drift stitch this back together. Right, and there we go. That's attempt 1 at fixing this. A couple of zip ties, seems to be locked in position. We're not dropping down anymore, so I'm going to stick it on the car, see if we fixed it. So there we go, proof once again that you can fix absolutely anything with zip ties. It's working really well, working as it should. Cooling fan's not playing up anymore. Seems like a pretty sturdy fix, but if not, we know what the problem is. We can put another zip tie in or something. But yeah, there you go. If you've got a problem with your cooling fans running too much on your Ford Mondeo, check out your active grill system and go from there. So comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one. Cheers!